So in order to create a developer edition org, we need to go to developer.salesforce.com site to sign up for a developer edition org. So it is a free org that is provided by Salesforce. So that way we can explore the features provided by Salesforce. Let's open this link. I'm switching to you can either use that link or simply search developer edition org, sign up, and you will be presented with the screen. developer.salesforce.com/signup is the URL that you can use, or simply you can use the Google search engine to land onto this page. So what do we have here? So it is a simple Salesforce Developer Edition org that we are trying to create, and it is for free. Salesforce would present a form that we need to fill out, so that way we would end up having a Developer Edition org. So it is asking for the first name. I'll quickly fill out these details. Email address, give a active email address, because this will help you verify the link that would be sent to the email, to this email address. In the role, I'm selecting it as developer. According to your convenience, feel free to select the role that best applies to you. And in the company name, I'm just giving SFDC Quest here. Feel free to give any company that would make more sense to you. Select the country where you are logging in from, and similarly state followed by the PIN code. Last but not the least, we have the username. Feel free to give a username that is unique, so that way you do not end up having any errors which says the username is already being used. So I provided the username as SFDC Quest Experience Cloud 2 @sfdc.com. Check this checkbox, and at the end, click on Sign Me Up. So Salesforce would take some time in terms of generating this Developer Edition org for us. How would you know? A welcome email will be sent to the email that has been mentioned in here. You can check your mailbox, and in a couple of minutes you will be receiving an email. I am on my Gmail account, the email address that I've provided in the form that I was filling for the Developer Edition org, and this is the welcome email that I've received. So what do I have here? I have an email which says verify account, and this is the username that I have requested for. And upon clicking on this verify account, so we have given the username and we have not provided the password. So first step that it would do is it would ask us to set the password. So feel free to provide the password here. We are setting the password here, and make sure that you confirm the password by entering it second time. And in the security question, feel free to select any security question here and provide the answer. Click on change password. So once that process is done, you'll be redirected to the Salesforce setup page, and this is the org that has been created for you. That brings us to the end of the section where we have understood how to create a Developer Edition org.
Hey guys, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to SFDC Quest.